Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Aperol Prosecco and a little bit of lemonade. Seen all the girlies drinking it while watching all of the Coachella videos and stuff. So I've just got back from doing the food shop. I must be living under a rock because I didn't know that Aldi was doing dupes for the colour Wow. There's some LMS dupes as well in B&M. I must have been living under a rock for the last few weeks because when did all these dupes like come into B&M and everything? I've got a bag, guys, a bag for life. First thing I picked up was some Sure because I need some deodorant, shampoo and conditioners, LV dupes. This is going to be my summer drink. So then can you guys tell me why I've been living under a rock? Colour Wow dupes. So we've got this one, Wonder Spray. It's the anti-humidity spray. Then they had this one, coconut leave-in spray for dry and very dry hair. So I dye my hair all the time, so I thought this might be a really good product. Wonder Foam, so I'm thinking probably like a mousse or something. And it's the Liqueur WF Wonder Foam Volumizer. So I picked this up as well. Went and got my nails done. So I've just had like basic almond French because it's a classic. Then I saw this, which is a Hotel Collection candle, White Company vibes I'm getting. This smells absolutely gorgeous. I just picked up some Wilkinson Sword razors because I need to shave. Wella, the Shockwaves Tough Stuff hair gel. He wears this all the time. It's one of his favourite hair gels. Obviously I've stocked up on my face masks and feet masks and all that. The Aperol's getting to me, guys. Glow Recipe dupes in Home Bargains. So the first one, we've got the Glow Watermelon Elixir Radiance Face Cream. So this one is the Home Bargains one, and I'll pop on screen the Glow Recipe one. And then we've got the Potion Glow Watermelon Elixir Radiance Toner. I'll then pop on the screen for the Glow Recipe toner. And it's in Home Bargains. I don't know what it's a dupe for, but it's the peptide and honey infused face serum, sorry. You get 50 mils in there. And this is what it looks like in the bottle. So sleek and just so simple, but really nice. An LMS dupe, and I've got 2 of these now. So I've picked up this one, and it is such a gorgeous little dupe. It's by Charlie Tate London, and it's the Pro Collagen Balm. Now I don't know if it smells like the LMS one, but I love using a cleansing balm, and a cleansing balm's a cleansing balm at the end of the day. It does not smell like the LMS one, not at all. So guys, I'm excited. Are you excited? Because we're gonna open the Twee bags. Really set on my endorphins. I am so happy. So I watched Twee's video the other day. I'll link Twee's video down below if you want to go and check her out. She's absolutely amazing. I've been watching all her videos for like years and years. I love her and her sister Hong. They are so amazing when they do videos together. Not like Twee's ever going to watch this video, so if she will never watch this video. But yeah, I absolutely love her. I've seen her and Grang go from living in her mum in a bedroom in her mum's house and buying their absolutely gorgeous house and doing it all up, and she does these bundle bags that are £50. She waits till the end of the year, and all the proceeds what she makes on these bundle bags go to charity. I just think she's so wholesome and so lovely, and I absolutely love watching her. And to be honest, as cringy as it sounds, she was the one who gave me the go and do YouTube, you know, go and do it, you can do it. And she gives me that push and that drive, and I absolutely love her motivational videos and her makeup videos and her vlogs. I watched every single one of them when she was touring the whole of Korea and all that. So yeah, let's actually have a look what I've got in these beauty bags because I can't wait. So we'll open bag number 1. I'll let you guys have a look in it first. I'm gonna rip it open. She absolutely stuffs these bags so full, and when I saw a video the other week, last week's video, and she said she was doing the bundle bags again, oh my god, my heart sank. I jumped straight onto it. I put them in my basket and I waited till payday, and here they are, and they take literally less than a week to arrive. and I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what's inside these bundle bags, because as a small content creator, these kinds of things, like, I don't get loads of PR and stuff like that. I get the odd brand reaching out to me, which I'm so blessed and so thankful for. And if it wasn't for you guys like subscribing to my channel and pushing me out on the algorithm, I would never get noticed by these brands. So thank you so much. And you know, with Twee doing these bundle bags as well, I get the chance to see and show you guys like higher end makeup that I probably wouldn't be able to purchase because they're so expensive. So with each bag, they're £50, and I will show you obviously the price of each product, and we'll tally up how much the bags were at the end of the video. So this is what's in bag number 1. You're seeing it before me, so aren't you lucky? We are best friends here on this channel. So I'm going to reach in and we're going to pull out the first product. It's an Ole Henriksen. It's an Ole Henriksen product. I love Ole Henriksen. It is so expensive though. If my camera would focus, that would be amazing. So it's this Ole Henriksen product. What actually is it? So it's a lip product. So it's a peptide lip treatment. Never tried their lip treatments. I've tried their Banana Bright primer before. Oh wow, I love the packaging already. So first product, absolutely love this. Looks so sleek and so lovely. Another thing about these bags as well, guys, she might have swatched them, used them in a video, or they might be brand new. You get full-size products, you can get like testers, like, you know, a bit bigger than a tester basically. But yeah, this doesn't even look like it's been even swatched or used. Oh, it feels so nice. So that's product number 1. So it's a Laura Mercier product. I love the box. Oh my god, it's the loose translucent powder. So this is from Colourpop. I can see Buzz Lightyear on here. So this is from the Toy Story range. It's the ultra glossy lip. Buzzing About is the shade. Oh my god, that is just super adorable. This is from a brand called Rehab. I've never heard of them. Ooh, matcha scalp oil. Each dose contains a rich blend of matcha, castor oil and rosemary oil applied to scalp as a pre-shampoo treatment. Oh, I've never tried anything like that before. This is from CLE. I don't know. So it's a CC cream, radiant skin, micro capsule technology, sunscreen, SPF of 50. I'm gonna need that. So this is the Sol de Janeiro fragrance number 40. I've tried 39, I think it is. I've never tried the 40. Oh, that smells beautiful. Got an E45 night cream. Tony might like this actually because he suffers from eczema and has really dry skin. Oh my god, what is this? A nourishing brow oil, a brow pen. Oh, that looks like a perfect shade as well. Dark brown brow pencil and a clear brow gel, the brand. But how bougie is that, that like your brow products come in a little case like that. So SPF, which I absolutely love SPF because obviously I don't want to be getting old over here. So this is another SPF and it's from Enjoy the Sun. So that's the brand's name there. What brand this is from? I think it's a Korean brand. Kaya. A Velvet Glow Sun Stick. Korean skincare is where it's at, guys. Is this a blush? Oh no, I think it's like a well, like it says, it's a glow stick, so it's like a highlighter. That is super adorable. I love that. Made by Mario product I've ever had. And this is a lip gloss. Oh, that's gonna be a gorgeous summer shade. Just that shade there, like a really nice glossy nude. I absolutely love these. So this is one of the NYX Hydra Gloss serums and it's like a lip stain. Look at that chocolatey brown. 2 more products left in this bag, guys. Beauty of Joseon, and it's a multi-sun stick with mugwort and chamomile. A sunscreen stick on the go. Lily by Red, never heard of that brand. I'm not sure if this is a Korean brand as well. Forgive me if it's not. It might be because there's a lot of Korean writing on the back of it, so it might be. So this looks like one of those pushy up lipstick situations. Oh, that's going to be a gorgeous like berry tone. for like autumn or even summer, to be honest. That looks really, really pretty. Let's go into bag number 2. So that's inside. Hope you've had a good look. Are you ready? Let's jump into it. So it's from this brand, Banana Spot Calming Cream. I'm gonna need this when like the perimenopause attacks my face again. Sculpted by Amy. I've never had anything from Sculpted by Amy before. Ooh, worst swatch ever. Yeah, I can work with that. Some nice products from Hourglass. Oh, it's a lipstick. That is a gorgeous like peachy glossy situation. Something from NARS. This is the Afterglow Tempting eyeshadow palette. Never had one of their eyeshadow palettes. I've had one of their bronzers before. That is an absolutely stunning little palette, and it's got lots of shimmers in there, guys. I'm gonna have to try that little shimmer there. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that shimmer. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm gonna do an eyeshadow look, guys. It's been a while. I haven't played with eyeshadow in an absolute while, but oh my goodness, that shimmer is gorgeous, and I do love a good shimmer. Oh, that's a cute little packaging. So this is another little eyeshadow. These are definitely the shades that my mum would wear. They're so pretty. I've got a little Tarte XL mascara. Oh, I quite like that wand. That's a nice wand. And then we have a little Tarte Maracuja lip juice. Oh, it's one of them little windy up situations. Oh, oh, they're gonna be my favourite shades in the summer. Really nice and juicy lips. We've got the Glossier Future Dew Oil Serum. Oh, that's pretty packaging. I have something from the brand Lola, and this is the Filter Lip Plumper, and it's in the shade Pink Marshmallow. So we've got something from Morphe. I think it says Chestnut, so I think it's a liquid bronzer. That's quite dark, so I'll have to use a very careful hand with that. We've got something from Valentino. Ooh, fancy. Wow, look at that bougie packaging. How bloody bougie is that? Oh, it's a gorgeous nude matte lipstick. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And it's even got the Valentino like logo on there. Can you see that? Twee. And look, she's even gorgeouser on that one. Gorgeous. 2 products left, guys. Oh my god. Twee, I bloody love you. If you're watching this video, I bloody love you. Charlotte Tilbury. Bloody hell, guys, we have Charlotte Tilbury in the house, and this is a big bloody tub of it. Oh my god, I could cry right now. I could actually cry. It's the magic cream, guys. I have been wanting to try this magic cream for ages, and she's spenny. Obviously it's Charlotte Tilbury, she's gonna be spenny, but oh my god, this is gonna make me want to buy it. It's gonna make me want to buy the Charlotte Tilbury magic cream. Never had the magic cream. Never had anything from Charlotte Tilbury before. Oh my god, I am so happy. I'm so happy. This just makes the whole bags worthwhile. Thank you so much, Twee. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I've also got a little sample of the elixir as well. So this is the Magic Serum Crystal Elixir. I'm so happy, I could cry. I've been wanting to try the Charlotte Tilbury for bloody ages, and oh, I'm gonna make this last a while because I know this is gonna be on my Christmas and birthday list. Oh, it's another skincare from the I'm not even gonna pronounce it because I'm gonna botch it up so bad, but it's a green papaya pH balancing cleanser. Oh, it's a skin wash, obviously cleanser, facial cleanser and stuff, but oh my god, I am completely over the moon with everything that I got. So over the moon. I love getting Twee's mystery bags. She's an absolute babe. Go check her out if you haven't checked Twee out before, and you will not be disappointed. She is absolutely amazing, and so is her sister Hong, so go check out both. I'll link both their channels down below for you guys to go and check them out. But yeah, if you are watching, if you ever watch this video, Twee, I love you. You're an inspiration, and I just love how you went from a fellow council estate girly to where you are now, and I hope one day that I can do the same thing. But oh my god, I love you so much, and yeah, thank you for sending these bags out to me. I know I paid with my own hard-earned cash, but I always love your bags. They're so amazing. We will probably never ever see this video, but if she does, I love you so much and thank you. I absolutely love your channel, and I just love you. So thanks guys for watching today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you're updated every time I upload a video, which is every single Sunday. And I'll see you in the next one. I love you so much, and bye.